Morning, it's happy Sunday, July 5th. Thank God for this beautiful weather, beautiful place. We're here now in Canmore, Canada, and this is our place that the siblings staying. Reminiscing July 5th, 1978, Ina gave birth to our youngest brother, George. We called him Pids or Pidjong. They live here now in Canmore. He started in Banff, Alberta, October of 2007. And thank God of all the hard work. At 2014, he brought his family here in Banff. And now even my nephew and niece, they're getting a good, judging a good journey. Now my old nephew from my brother George in Australia, and my other niece now is judging to get a police woman. This is our place, very good, I love it. Thank you God for this beautiful, wonderful blessings. It's not that cold. Here's our food. We have those some Filipino crackers, boy bawang, cropek, chicharon. I cooked the chili last night. My sister Meg will gonna make pancit again today. There you go. I cook nice chili. Ta-da-da! Chili in Canmore. Haha. Alright, I'm taking care of my little breakfast. Everybody else not ready for little breakfast. We're going to Mass at Our Lady of Rockies here in Canmore at 9 a.m., 9:30 a.m. I still have my ube and I'm having tea. Thank you God for another beautiful Sunday. And here's the flowers that I preserved. My brother George gave. My sister Neri came from Tennessee, and me from Vegas. He gave me these flowers. And look at that. When I put it in water, it's still alive. When we get here July 1st at nighttime. Happy Sunday.